BC9700 LED explosion-proof floodlight. Hazardous gas Zone 1 and Zone 2. Dangerous dust Zone 21 and Zone 22. Patented thermal technology. Independent increased safe wiring chamber, light source chamber and power supply chamber. 360-degree cooling system, which ensures long fixture lifespan. Die-cast aluminum body, robust construction, excellent heat dissipation. Triple layer protection, e-coating and dust layer ponder. SS304 stainless steel mounting accessories, trimmings, and fasteners. 2 cable entry holes, which can be connected in parallel. The inlet supports G, M, MPT, and other multi-standard cable gland. Compact low-profile design, flexible mounting options. Reflector-based optics, high lumen output and efficacy, impact resistance 4 Joule. IP66 water vapor, dust-proof, corrosion-free electronics, high-pressure washable. Ideal to be used in petrochemical platforms, storage, transportation bases, workshops, and many other hazardous areas. ATEX, IECEX, CNEX, CE, ROHS approved, pass salt spring test, vibration test, LM79, LM80.